Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add subtitles and PixVerse video. So actually PixVerse AI doesn't support adding subtitles or captions directly within its video generation process. However, you can easily add subtitles to your PixVerse generated video using external tools. So let's head over into the PixVerse website. Just set an example and then let's head over into create right here. Alright, so once we are here, we'll for example choose which ratio, resolution, etc., which options that we want it to be, or we want them to be on our video. And after we're finished, we will go right here and we will choose we will upload the character or the picture that we want to be generated into a video, and then we will describe the contents we want to create right here. For example, a cat or a dog, and we'll put some specific details right there, and we'll for example add the auto sound and auto speech right here. And after we're finished, we go into create, and as you can see right here, there is no option that can make a subtitle or a caption for our video. Alright, so what I advise you to do, guys, is after you download your video right here, I want to download it in MP4 format, and after that I want to head over into one of these tools, CapCut, Vid.io or Media.io. So let's go into CapCut and let's, for example, see the icon of it. Alright, so right here I will go into CapCut images. So this is the icon of CapCut, so you can get it. Alright, to not get scammed. Alright, let's go into Vid.io. Alright, so this is the icon of Vid.io. Alright, so then the last one is Media.io. Okay, so that's the symbol of Media.io, or the logo of Media.io, and that one. Alright, so that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.